Okay, so officers have one or more subjects detained, and I would like to have you accompany me to that location to view the subjects. The subjects detained may or may not be the ones who committed the crime. You are not under no obligation to make an identification. Just because the subjects are in custody does not necessarily mean that the subjects were involved in the crime. Look at the subjects carefully and tell me if you can identify those subjects. Please do not discuss this matter with other witnesses. Do you understand?
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll
Yep.
put you in my car and we'll drive over there real quick.
Okay.
So you know you have some privacy.
Oh no, I'll walk over.
No, it's okay. Just so that
Okay.
it's the procedure.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, so sorry. Stumble over, I should say. There was also 2 other witnesses too. Oh wait, you already know that person. Sorry.
Yeah, but the most important one is you, right?
I guess so, huh? I've never been in this situation like this.
Any knives on you? Any weapons on you?
No sir, I don't own any guns. I just the only knives I have is a steak knife and a utility knife,
On you?
which is in the truck.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just come over here real
absolutely.
quick. And do a quick pat down. I know you're.
Oh, absolutely.
I'm not
Yep,
just
yep.
gonna. I'm not
No, no.
tripping about it. It's
Oh,
just
go
procedure.
right, go down, man. Go down.
All right. Okay. All right. Come on.
Be safe out there. Thanks again, officer.
No problem. Have to go.
Thank you. That's how it's done. Officers doing that's what's up. Clearing house, people. Stay at 63rd. Get at me. Homeless clearing, fool.